Attention Middletown, New York homeowners. Fall will be here soon, so it's time to check your roof for any leaks. A leaky roof can cause a lot of damage to your home, and it is important not to leave it too late and get the problem fixed as soon as possible. But we all know it can be hard to find a trustworthy contractor who will give you an honest estimate and not overcharge for unnecessary repairs. Roberts Roofing has been providing services to homeowners in Orange County, New York since 1986. We're proud to say most of our customers come from referrals just like this.
Kevin was simply great. Trying to sell my house, a house inspector said I needed a new roof before the winter of 2021. I called Kevin and asked for a second opinion. He suggested a few shingles should be replaced but said the overall roof was sound. This saved me thousands of dollars. I cannot thank Kevin enough and will not hesitate to use him in the future as I am remaining in the area. He is extremely trustworthy, reliable, competent, courteous, and prompt, as are his workers. Thank you, Roberts Roofing, and especially Kevin.
We provide free roof inspections and are the region's premier GAF Master Elite Roofing Contractor with over 95-star reviews. You don't have to look any further than Roberts Roofing if you need help with your leaking roof or other problems related to the exterior of your house. We offer free estimates on all jobs, so call today.